Isolator components. The main components of an isolator are as follows. Inlet HEPA filters. These filter the air before it enters the isolator to remove any particles that are likely to cause contamination. Exhaust exit HEPA filters. These filter the air as it leaves the isolator to ensure that no particles generated inside the isolator escape to the outside. Gloves. Gloves are attached securely to the front window of the isolator to allow the operator to handle materials and equipment inside. Transfer ports. These are attached to either or both sides of the isolator to facilitate the in and out movement of materials and equipment. Climate controls. The temperature and humidity are monitored and controlled to prevent the growth of microorganisms. Transfer ports. Rapid transfer ports. A rapid transfer port, or RTP, is a device used to securely transfer material in and out of the isolator chamber, while preventing contamination of the material or the environment. They can be joined to isolators without external air entering them or the isolator. The RTP has a specially constructed lid that can dock onto the isolator with an airtight seal. Once the RTP has been joined to the isolator, the lid can be opened from inside the isolator, and materials can be either removed from it or placed inside it. RTPs can be sanitized when they are attached to or detached from the isolator. As with other types of ports, if external air enters the isolator at any stage of the RTP's use, the supervisor must be informed immediately so that appropriate action can be taken.